Hey fam, welcome back. How are you guys doing? So today I have this very quick and easy plantain and egg frittata for you guys with a little bit of vegetables for healthiness. This recipe is the bomb. Let's dive right into the video. So here are some of our ingredients. We're going to be using some fresh pepper and tomatoes, some green bell peppers and yellow bell peppers. You can use red too. Going to be using some eggs, hot dog. I'll also be using some seasoning cube, onions, plantain obviously, the star ingredient. We're going to be using some ginger and garlic mixed pea. I got this one from Maggie. You can use your regular ginger and garlic powder. I'm going to start first by dicing my onions just like this. You can dice yours anyhow you want it. This is just my own way of doing it. The prep is the main part of this recipe. Every other thing doesn't exactly take so much time. So now I'm just going to also dice my tomatoes and peppers just like I normally would. So there is no special way to do this, just do it how you want to do it. So now I'm also doing the same thing to my green bell peppers and my yellow bell peppers, but I have left out some to use for garnishing at the end of the recipe. I realized I didn't show you guys some carrots, but I'll also be using some carrots. Now I'm just going to cut my plantain into these circles basically. Cut them as thin or as fat as you'd want to, but I like keeping mine in the mid-range, not too thin, not too fat basically. So after that is done, I am also going to now cut my hot dog. If you can notice, I am doing this as the last stage because I do not want any form of cross contamination. You always have to cut your vegetables first before anything fresh. This is to avoid cross contamination, especially if you're going to be using the same chopping board like I am in this recipe. So now I'm just going to fry my plantains as I normally would, nothing too extra, just fry the plantain until golden brown. So I'm just going to remove that from the fire. Please make sure your plantain does not burn. After that, I reduce the oil. I always like to reduce the oil in my plantain frittata because we will be baking this and you don't want excess oil. At least I do not want excess oil. So now I'm just going to fry my onions and then add in my diced pepper and tomato, my chopped pepper and tomato. Stir that for about 2 minutes. Just let it cook through. I'm also cooking on medium heat. So now I'm going to add my carrots and then stir again to combine. So now I'll be adding my hot dog, and I'm adding this first because I want it to cook a little bit before I add in any other thing to the pan. I'm just going to cook this for about 2 minutes on medium heat. After that, I'm going to be adding some salt and some seasoning cube. I'm using just one seasoning cube here, and the salt is to taste, just do as you would love. Then I'm going to add some thyme to this. I'm not adding curry powder to this because I don't like curry powder in my plantain frittata. If you do love it, you can add it. There's nothing wrong with that. I'm just going to stir and combine this to make sure everything is well incorporated and make sure that the heat is getting everywhere. After about 2 minutes, I'm going to add my garlic and ginger. So like I said earlier, I am adding this garlic and ginger, this particular one, because I like it. If you have any regular ginger and garlic powder, please add it. Now I'm just going to add my bell peppers. Also, you can use red bell peppers here too. Now that all that is combined and properly cooked, I am going to transfer it into my baking pan. The reason I'm using this baking pan is because my pan I used in frying cannot be used in the oven. So if yours can be used in the oven, please by all means use it. I am just transferring it here because this is what I used to bake. Now I'm just whisking my eggs, and I'm just going to turn and stir. Just make sure everything is properly incorporated. The eggs getting everywhere, the sauce is getting everywhere, or our vegetables basically getting everywhere. And the next thing you have to do is to arrange your plantains one by one. I think this part is fun. I don't know, because I really enjoyed this part. So if you do enjoy it, let me know in the comment section. So I'm just going to arrange this properly, making sure that the plantain is covering everywhere, every bit of this place. Also guys, please do not forget to like the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, do not forget to share the video. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this recipe. Let me also know in the comment section if you have any recipe you want me to try out for you. I'll be more than willing to do that. Please, like I said, do not forget to subscribe. It helps my channel, it lets other people see my channel and see my videos. Thank you very much. So now I'm just adding the plantains, like I said. After that, I'm also going to add in the sliced bell peppers that I did not add at the beginning. This is just for garnishing, you don't have to do too much. Now I'm going to bake at 350 degrees C. After 25 minutes, this is what we have, guys. When I tell you that this recipe was so good, this plantain frittata was so good, it's the bomb. If you like this video, please click the like button and let me know if you try out the recipe. Follow me on Instagram at King Daniel. Thank you. See you in my next video.